Jordan, remind the people.
So, as always, you can find us on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Breaker, Radio Public, Spotify, Pocket Cast, and the RSS feed, all linked below. And reach out to us via email, synapsemisfire@pm.me. Send us your comments, questions, concerns, death threats, and most importantly, Little Kitty, Big City, stuff, photo mode, things like that. And we have Instagram, TikTok. You can check us out there.
We'll be there eventually.
Eventually. It's been a while. Quite a while. I think we still have the Halloween photo.
Well, one of these days. All right. See you next time.
See you. Oh, man. That was a pretty good one.
Yeah. It's getting to be that time. What time is it?
It is just below 12. Almost 12.
You want to go get lunch?
I mean, I'm freaking hungry. I would, but Lexi did drive here to pick me up because she dropped me off, so I don't know if I can.
Well, I don't know, she eats too, right?
I mean, yeah, she does.
She could come with us.
Yeah, I guess I can ask her. Maybe she can bring us, honestly.
Yeah.
Easy.
I was thinking, I want a fat cheesesteak, dude.
Ooh.
There's a local place, maybe like 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes away.
Yeah.
That we could hit.
Okay.
I mean, you're the cheesesteak guy.
Yeah, you beat me to it. Like, yeah, I'm the cheesesteak guy. So.
All
right. Yeah, we'll see if she'll bring us.
All right.
Hey, so Chris wanted to get lunch. He recommended this local cheesesteak place, so we're gonna go there. I don't know if you want to go.
Yeah, sure, I can drive.
Okay, yeah, cool.
He's a cheesesteak guy. We gotta go.
King of cheesesteak, so we're gonna try it.
Lunchtime.
Continue on I-95 south for 69 miles.
Hey, so how much farther is this place? You said it was pretty close.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that much farther actually. I think we're coming up on it actually.
Alright.
Pretty soon.
Alright, I'll trust you.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New Jersey.
It actually shouldn't even be that much. It shouldn't even be that much further now actually. We're actually like almost there.
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Like we're pretty close. See, Jordan, I told you it was like just a short little walk, nice little local place, a short little drive.
Yeah, it's not too far. Didn't take us long to get here.
No, I don't think so.
Hey, boss, can I do 2 cheesesteaks?
Onions?
No, thank you.
Yeah, just do that. Let's see the wheat. 30.
Huh?
You said 2, right?
2. Yep.
Yeah. 2 with a...
One of you can pass the other out, you can get out the 3 of them on the fridge. If you have the same antibody protein, both of you can pass out, however, you get a smaller protein next to both.
I mean, it's okay, right?
I mean, it's alright. It ain't even that good.
Yeah, but it's just a calm little local place, you know?
I just thought, with the little time it took to get here, like...
That was a short little journey. Like, we could have gone a little farther, but...
Yeah. Not bad, I guess.
No, it's like if we went any further, I would be annoyed, but like...
Yeah. This was, like, just far enough.
Exactly.